Apple just announced that it's coming out with its own AR VR headset, Apple Vision Pro. I've got to say, this is the first headset that I truly believe will be revolutionary. I have not quite been sold on AR or VR for a long time. I thought maybe gamers might like MetaQuest Pro, Oculus, things like that, but I never really saw a mass adaptation coming for AR or VR. But with Apple Vision Pro, I really think it's different. I think Apple did it again. Just like with the iPad, other companies like Microsoft already created tablet computing before Apple created the iPad, but it never really took off until Apple invented the iPad. Then everybody wanted it. I really think everyone's going to want the Apple Vision Pro. They're marketing it as a new kind of computer, one that you can control with your eyes and your hands. You don't need any bulky controllers anymore. When you put the headset on, you simply look at the apps that you want to open and then tap your fingers together to open the app. If you want to type, you can just use your voice. You can tell an app what you want to be typed. Another option is to connect a keyboard using Bluetooth to your Apple Vision Pro and begin typing that way. And if you own a Mac, you can just look at your Mac through the Apple Vision Pro, and your Mac screen will pop off of your computer and appear in your Apple Vision Pro's view. You can then control your Mac directly from your Apple Vision Pro. This is the part where I think Apple Vision Pro will reach mass adaptation. You really can use the Apple Vision Pro like you would a computer that has many monitors. I'm a web developer. In order to be the most productive, I use two large monitors in addition to my MacBook Pro whenever I'm developing. You can work so much faster if you can see your code on one screen and your website on another screen, and have a third screen for looking up information or using something like nextchat.ai for my ChatGPT related tasks. Well, with Apple Vision Pro, instead of carrying these giant monitors around with me, if I ever decide to travel, all I would need is my MacBook and Apple Vision Pro. If I'm at an Airbnb, I could just open up my MacBook, put on my Apple Vision Pro. My MacBook screen would pop up in my Apple Vision Pro view, and I could create two additional monitors to the left and the right of my MacBook view. And I could create more screens if I wanted to. With Apple Vision Pro, you can create as many screens as you want and put them wherever you want simply by using your fingers to drag the view wherever you want in your workspace. I really think this is going to be huge with developers. In the post-COVID world, are remote friendly. So as a developer, I may be working remote for the rest of my life. Apple Vision Pro would make it a lot easier to work without the need for giant monitors to be taken with me. So I definitely think Apple Vision Pro will be a hit for remote workers. The second area that Apple Vision Pro may disrupt is the entertainment industry. During their announcement, they showed how you can make it look like your screen is 100 feet wide. Forget 100-inch TVs. Imagine if your TV was 100 feet wide with surround sound. Also, this could be very popular with gamers. Imagine playing your favorite video game on a 100-foot wide TV. Well, with Apple Vision Pro, you could actually simulate this. There's some other cool features that make the Apple Vision Pro feel more human. One of the big problems with current AR VR headsets is you look like a mindless drone whenever you put a headset on. Your eyes are covered up. It just really gives the whole Matrix vibe. It feels really creepy. But with Apple Vision Pro, there is an outward display that reveals your eyes. So the people around you, if you're wearing an Apple Vision Pro, could still look into your eyes. You could still have a conversation with them, even with your headset on. You could see them through your screen, and they could see your eyes from their point of view. This feature, in a lot of ways, makes it feel like you're just wearing glasses instead of a VR or AR headset. This feels a lot more natural, a lot more human, and a lot less creepy. I could see people actually being okay wearing this at work. If you're a developer, I think it would be very valuable to start learning the visionOS operating system. With Apple Vision Pro, they've created a brand new operating system for what they call spatial computing. They're calling it visionOS. Part of the reason why Apple Vision Pro won't come out for another 6 months until 2024 is they want to give developers time to build apps for the new visionOS operating system. If you're a developer, you have a chance to build one of the first apps to appear on the Apple Vision Pro App Store. If you'd like to learn more about how to build apps for visionOS, you can go to developer.apple.com/visionOS. This is the current website. It's saying there is an SDK coming later this month. This site explains the concepts behind visionOS apps, how it works, using windows, volumes, and spaces, and the different frameworks you can use to build the apps include Swift UI, Reality Kit, AR Kit, Xcode, Reality Composer Pro, and Unity. They say Swift UI is the best way to build a new Vision OS app or to bring an existing iPad OS or iOS app to the platform. So if you're interested in being a Vision OS developer, you may want to learn Swift UI. Apple has a prepare page for Vision OS where it tells you all the things you can do to learn spatial computing development. There's also a learn page where you can learn all the tools you need to start building spatial computing apps. And they even have a work with Apple page starting in July 2023. If you're building apps for Vision OS, you can get direct support from Apple. As you're building an app, if you come across some sort of issue or something like that, you'll be able to directly chat with the Apple team and they can help you in building your Vision OS app. I'll put all these links in the description below. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to make some videos on the different technologies used to build Vision OS apps like Swift UI and Reality Kit. Also, let me know in the comments below, what do you think about Apple Vision Pro? Do you think it's going to be as revolutionary as the iPad or the iPhone was? Or do you think this is going to be another failed attempt at making AR or VR popular? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Like the video if you'd like to see more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new content comes out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.